A few months ago, I watched two close friends of mine deal with something that honestly shouldn't be this hard. They were trying to get communication support for their 3-year-old daughter who has cerebral palsy and is not even cute. She needs an eye gaze AAC device. Insurance kept delaying it, and those devices cost thousands of dollars. At the same time, I realized something. Every modern iPad has cameras, face tracking, and eye tracking built in. Most families already own this hardware, so it didn't make sense that access to communication depended on buying expensive, specialized equipment. So I built Eli's app. It's a communication app that works using head movement, eye gaze, or touch. No special hardware, no subscriptions, just an iPad. You start simple. 4 basic tiles. Hungry, yes, all done, and more. You hold your gaze on a tile and it speaks, no tapping required. Everything is customizable. You can change layout, sensitivity, dwell time, and visuals. Each user can be set up based on their abilities. As they grow and adapt, the app grows with them. And privacy matters, so there are no ads, no tracking, no data collection. Everything stays on the device. Right now, the app is under Apple review. It should be on the App Store within about 48 hours pending approval, and it will be free. I'm raising funds to keep improving it for testing, accessibility features, long-term updates, and support tools. The goal is to keep this available to everyone who needs it. I also need help spreading the word. If you know families with disabled kids, speech therapists, clinics, schools, or rehab centers, please share this with them. Most people never hear about alternatives to expensive AAC systems. This started with one family, now it can help many more. But only if people know it exists. If this sounds useful, please consider supporting it. Donate if you can, share it if you can't. Both help. Okay, I love you. Goodbye.
You ready? Tim, you ready?
Yeah.
Come on, you want to stand up? Come on.